2020 National Electrical Code, or NEC, has specific requirements for the location of a meter base. Section 230.70 states that the meter base must be located adjacent to and readily accessible from the service equipment. Section 230.70b requires the meter base to be located in a readily accessible location. Section 230.70c mandates that the meter base must be visible from outside the building. When a house was built in 1950, specific NEC requirements for the location of the meter base as they exist today did not exist. At that time, it was common practice to install the meter base near the point of entry of the service wires into the building. Examining a situation where the meter base is located 70 feet away from the house, which is not adjacent to the service equipment, the meter base is not visible from outside the house, and it took a significant amount of time to locate the meter base, this would indicate that the installation does not meet the 2020 NEC requirements. The location of the meter base can significantly impact fire safety. In the event of a fire, a difficult-to-locate meter base hinders firefighters' ability to quickly and safely disconnect the electrical service to the house, potentially endangering both occupants and firefighters. To bring an installation into compliance with the current NEC, the meter base should be relocated to a location that meets these criteria: firstly, adjacent and readily accessible from the service equipment, and secondly, visible from outside the building. These requirements ensure easy access for utility workers and first responders.